don't want to forget the soda, or the baking soda. So what I'm going to do is, I got 2 containers here, so I'm going to put one baking soda in one in the other. Okay. And then I'm going to add more buttermilk into here. Great buttermilk. Curdles up a little bit, and before I make it to exactly where I want it, I want to incorporate the egg and the buttermilk a little bit. I'm going to do it over here to incorporate that baking soda. You could also put one egg here, just kind of make it even. It's good stuff. Yeah, this is top of the line buttermilk here. It's nice to know you make it yourself. It's kind of cool, you know. So there we go. Got plenty left. I'm going to be making a lot more. Sort of, it's very thick and rich. Again, some people use yogurt too. I've tried that. That's fine too, but I like the buttermilk. It's pretty good. So that's pretty good. So now what I'll do is I get a good wooden spoon and I'll start pouring this in and mix it. So, but before I do that, I'm going to go over to the pans over here. I'm going to get them ready, because when this is ready, I want to put them right in the baking dish. So I'm going to start working this in a little bit. Normally I would put them both in at the same time. I kind of scrape the sides a little bit. Create a little pocket. But it started working. You know, the buttermilk's very good, so it reacts right away. So put this in. I'm gonna save these because we're gonna have to whisk up an egg. Look at that, man. Come on. Come on. Talking some good stuff here, man. Get everything out of there. I could probably save this one or maybe save that one. I don't know. I'll save that one. But so I'm just going to incorporate all this in. Hope I'm not forgetting anything because I'm doing a video, but I don't think so. Just you want to try to get everything. You don't want any dry stuff in there. I'm going to work this in with my hands too when this is mixed. I'll squeeze it, knead it, I suppose. Yeah, knead it. So on another note, my grandson makes this, and my grandson and my son make this. So we kind of passed the tradition down. And if it was the afternoon or 5 o'clock somewhere, we normally have Guinness while we're making this. But it's in the morning. I haven't even had breakfast. I got up early today, so. But I made up breakfast now. But normally we'd have some Guinness with this, making this. So just to let you know. Take care. Just take the stuff off the spoon here. Let's see if Dominic Minichetti's watching this. The Italian. Yeah, it's good. Starts getting too sticky, and I like to slap it like this with my fingers because I got to work it in more. I need more olive oil too, so getting a little sticky. Sticky's fine though. I mean, don't worry about it. Sometimes I like to flip it over because it gets a little dry in the bottom. You want to get all that stuff and kind of slap it up a little bit. Hit it upside here. I kind of want to bind this together a little bit. Work it out. It's always good to wear an apron though, you know, when you're doing this, because you get some stuff on you. That's okay. Now, let's see how she goes here. I think she's pretty good. Let's see what we got on there. Yeah, we're looking pretty good here. I'm gonna put some more oil on there. Yeah, looking good. We got a little bit of Italian touch here with the olive oil. Turn it one more time. I'm going to try to even this out a little bit. Kind of play it by ear. Okay, let's see what we're doing. I'm going to get a knife. See if I can do this. Yeah. A little olive oil here. Rub it on the knife a little bit. And try to estimate a little bit. Should be pretty good. So just kind of wiggle the knife a little bit like that. And you can separate it best you could. I'm going to take it. Damn. That's one. I got the other part in here, you see? See that? Slap it around a little bit. Well, my hands are all messed up. I'm trying to film this, you know. But I'm going to take this over to the bowl and I'll get back to you. So now what I do, I'm going to knead this with my hands. And I think it makes a big difference for my Italian brothers out there. Rub my hands in olive oil, and then I work the soda bread, rub it with olive oil, and then when I divide it and put it in the pans, I have olive oil on my hand too, so I can slap the thing around a little bit, and makes a difference. Then I cut it and I'll put the egg wash on it. So here we go. Let me just take the stuff off the spoon here. Let's see if Dominic Minichetti's watching this. The Italian. Yeah, it's good. Starts getting too sticky, and I like to slap it like this with my fingers because I got to work it in more. I need more olive oil too, so getting a little sticky. Sticky's fine though. I mean, don't worry about it. Sometimes I like to flip it over because it gets a little dry in the bottom. You want to get all that stuff and kind of slap it up a little bit. Hit it upside here. I kind of want to bind this together a little bit. Work it out. It's always good to wear an apron though, you know, when you're doing this, because you get some stuff on you. That's okay. Now, let's see how she goes here. I think she's pretty good. Let's see what we got on there. Yeah, we're looking pretty good here. I'm gonna put some more oil on here. Yeah, looking good. We got a little bit of Italian touch here with the olive oil. Turn it one more time. Yeah, that's good. And I'm just gonna rub it on there. Rub it on the whole loaf. It really makes it look pretty. It's nice. Yep. So I got this here. Rub it on here. Nice, nice, man. Got a lot on the side there. Usually I don't like to have too much on the side, but some got in there. But you know, to lay down low. But yeah, it's gonna look real nice, man. So there we go. Okay, cool. Very cool. Now, let me get back to here. Oven's 375 at 1 hour and 15 minutes. This is an electric oven. You check it with that knife that I used to cut this. See how it is. You want to make sure, you know, it's like if you're making bread or cake or whatever. You don't want it all sticky. If it's sticky, you let it go. But then I'd say average 1 hour and 20 minutes. It's usually pretty good. An extra 5 minutes means a lot. Or at 115 it might be good. Depends on your oven. So let's go over. We'll see if we can do this. Mess on my phone here. Damn. I'm gonna take these over. Right here.